Hello everyone. Today we learn daily action verbs. I wake up.
I wake up.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
I tie my shoes.
I tie my shoes.
I open the door.
I open the door.
I walk to school.
I walk to school.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I raise my hand.
I raise my hand.
I listen to the teacher.
I listen to the teacher.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I draw a picture.
I draw a picture.
I clean my desk.
I clean my desk.
I change my clothes.
I change my clothes.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I help my mom.
I help my mom.
I feed the pet.
I feed the pet.
I watch cartoons.
I watch cartoons.
I take a bath.
I take a bath.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I brush my teeth again.
I brush my teeth again.
I go to sleep.
I go to sleep.